We had our community connection stuff like on our social media platforms. We had an online portal to access for courses and all that kind of stuff, but it was all custom built. It was a pain to upgrade, and honestly, we had spent a fortune on it, and we still weren't really getting what we wanted out of it. And so BuddyBoss came in with some of their pre-done templates and themes and plugins and really accelerated that process. We were able to get a lot more for our investment in our platform. BuddyBoss has been great in terms of responsiveness and ongoing updates and bug fixes and things like that to some of the custom functionality that we've done. So being able to work with their team, they make it super easy for you in terms of their project management portal and directly working with their team. So really responsive, have been super accurate in terms of estimates and quotes, and honestly their team has gone above and beyond in everything that we've asked them to do. So it's been really great to now have this central hub that our community can connect with one another and get what they need, and I'm really excited to continue working with BuddyBoss and their team as our needs change and grow. So definitely looking forward to our next project with BuddyBoss. Highly recommend them for your next project. If you guys are running a community site or some type of training or coaching, this team definitely knows how to deliver the results. So highly recommend BuddyBoss for your next project.